How to scan QR code on any Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to scan a QR code on any Android phone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here step 1 is to open your camera app. So here nowadays most modern Android phones have QR code scanning built into a camera. So here you simply have to open the camera app and point the camera directly to the QR. And here make sure that the QR is well fit. And now here, once the camera has scanned the QR code, then you simply have to tap on the icon that appears in the camera section. And now here, once you scan the QR code and there you simply tap on the QR code icon, you will see a link or notification appearing on your screen. So there you can just tap on it to open the website, app, or information embed in that particular QR code. But here, if the QR code does not automatically scan QR codes, then you can simply go to the Google Lens. So here, simply search for the Google Lens, or if you don't found one, you can simply tap on Google and there you can see the camera icon. So simply tap on it and here once you have opened it, you can simply scan the QR code and yeah, it will detect the scan QR and you can tap on it to visit that particular website embed in that QR code. And that's it. That's how you can scan any QR code on Android quickly and easily. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.